Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm just going to quickly show you a few styles that you can do in these like extremely long Marley twists. So actually here's the first one, so you can just have it like parted to the side and you can just have it down and it looks pretty nice. So this is style number 2. I like to use scrunchies because they tend to like stretch pretty far, and I don't like the other hairbands. When they're like slimmer, sometimes they tend to break. But so this is the second style, so throw it back. And literally just grab all the hair. See if I can actually turn around. Just grab the hair. And just pull it through and stop halfway. And you can literally just have like a cute thrown together like ponytail. You can pull it all the way through if you want, but I kind of like when it looks juicy and it just hangs and it takes like some of the hang time off, so it's not so much pressure. Style number 3, so let's take it back down. I tend to like half up, half down, so I'll literally just take like the first row, especially when they're chunky, pull them up to the front, just tie it up like this. Nothing crazy because you're still trying to protect those edges, and you can literally just have it half up, half down like this. Just make sure like it's evenly split in two, flatten it a bit. So you can just take the top part and wrap it into a top knot, and that also looks really cute. Just remember to tuck it in. You might need to use some bobby pins if you don't think it's gonna stay, but I have a thing about making sure it's even, so I'll literally sit here and grab twists until it looks like even on each side. But yeah, I'm just trying to get the tallness of the bun in. But yeah, it was like, so this style, you usually like need something like you can tie that's open. You can use shoelaces or tights. I've just used like the old belt of a like cardigan I used to have. So you'll just flip your hair. I'm gonna get up. Flip your hair. I'm trying to get makeup on my shirt. Flip your hair forward, like all forward, all forward. And you can grab the hair and just tie it once in the back. And that's literally it. Like you can tie a bow in the back so it looks cute, if I can find the other side. Yeah, so you just tie it up. If you're gonna have your hair up, make sure your pepper grains in the back are brushed up. So just take toothbrush and make sure there's nothing rolly back there, and then you can literally just style it. You can also use like a scarf to like tie it in the front. That's nice. It's very like 90s. You can also wrap it in a bun. So I'm gonna do 6. So I'm gonna like take all my braids, wrap it slowly round, making sure to like when you go round you like tuck it in because it gets easier. And that's literally like, it's like a beehive bun, but when you're trying to make a statement, especially with some big hoops, it just so my SD card wanted to be full. But as I was saying, like you can have it like a top knot, like a top bun. It's like, so it looks like from the side, like this, like use bobby pins, but that's what's on the side. It's like the back, and like the other side. 7, I think it's number 7. Yeah, 7. If you don't want it like on top of your head, but you still want to do half up, half down, you can take like the front row, like I always say, just the first few, and take it like back to the middle of your head. So that's another alternative, and it also looks really cute. So you just take the like first few to frame it so it lays flat, and you take it, pull it through once, and you pull it through again, and just leave it as a cute bun. This is usually how I style it because I like the mixture of the short and the long. It looks more like natural this way. I just really enjoy it. And then you make sure that your edges are done. Could just like take some, be careful not to like move your makeup. You should I usually do this before I do my makeup, but just for the sake of this video to show you guys how I just quickly swoop it. It also depends on how you sectioned your hair as well. It kind of helps you to like do your edges and sideburns. That's a quick couple of styles. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.